Good morning, everyone. I have received a request to check for teapots made in America. I'll take you on my adventure and we'll see what we can find. See you in a little bit. Okay, I am looking for the tea kettle now. Here's one from KitchenAid, and it is made in China. Let's see. Right there. Okay, here's another KitchenAid that is made in Thailand. Okay. The first one I showed you is brushed stainless steel. This one is richly colored porcelain enamel interior. And here's some pretty different colored ones. And they're also made, let's see here, in Taiwan. Okay, let me see if I can find something else. This is not exactly what I'm looking for, but it's along the same lines. It's made by Mr. Coffee. It's an iced tea maker. Let's see where it's made. Oop. Made in China. 2 for 2. Here is a Cuisinart that is a cordless programmable kettle, and it is made, let's see where it's at, right there, made in China. Strike 3. Alright, the first 3 that I checked were made in China, so I'm gonna have to go on the internet and start doing searches there. Come along. We'll see what we can find. Hi. Today I'm going to let you know what I found on the teapots made in America. After searching and searching and searching, I finally went to a reliable source, which is ABC News, their Made in America segment, and I searched in their database, and I actually found a company that makes teapots, not tea kettles, teapots that are made in America. Here is the website that I found. There's some of the teapots. Okay. And I will put a link to the website. I hope this is what my viewer was looking for. I'm still in search of tea kettles, but so far we haven't found anything. My husband and I, well, he sent a letter off to some of the companies that make bakeware here in America, challenging them to start producing tea kettles. He got one reply back, and I will have to bring up that email. Okay, the email was from Regalware, and they said that they do appreciate his comments, and they have forwarded the email that he sent to their product development for review. At least we got a response from them, even if it doesn't happen. So, they have a website. You could email them if you want to, and let them know that you would be interested in purchasing tea kettles that are made in America. That is all I have for now. I am working on a new one, so I will see you next time. Until then, bye.